Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Again, a very warm good morning. A very cold good morning from Karachi, Pakistan. Okay, so we are doing probability right now, and in the previous video, I have explained question number 1 with the basic formula of probability, and right now again we are here with exercise 4A. Edexcel question number 4. Watch every video till the end. I am telling you again, and do like, subscribe my channel so that others can get benefit from this channel, your favorite maths channel, and you are here with your favorite maths teacher. Okay, so let's start. In question number 4, we are provided with the data 240 koalas, 240 koalas, length of 240 koalas are recorded, and one koala is chosen at random. Okay, we are only choosing one koalas. Koalas are basically, my dear students, it is an animal, but it is a mammal. It is normally found in Australia. So if the Australian people are listening to me, so they must know, they must seen this animal. Okay, so this is a chart basically, that 65 to 70 length koalas, male are 4 and the females are 14. Likewise, all the koalas which have the length from starting from 80 to 85 are male are 47, whose lengths are between 80 to 85, and females are 27, whose lengths are between 80 to 85. So likewise, the data, the frequency table is given. Okay, first of all, we should know that in the probability we have to find out the sample space. Here the sample space will be given as in terms of frequency. Okay, so if you calculate this male right from 4 till 31, it becomes 126 total koalas for male, and if you make a total of female koalas right starting from 14 till 26, it becomes 114, and when you add both of them, male and female, the overall in total koalas becomes 240. Okay, so mind it that the total frequency is our sample space in this scenario, in this data. Okay, so first of all we need to find the probability that koala is a female. Okay, so for part A I will write as probability, P for probability, K for koala, and small f for the female. Okay, we know that basically numerator is the favorable outcomes, favorable sample space divided by total sample space. Okay, FO means favorable outcome divided by total sample space. Okay, right now you know that the total sample space, it means the total koalas are 240. It is very simple. We on the denominator side, the total sample space means the total options of koalas availability we have, that is 240. And right now for FO means favorable outcomes. Okay, so just analyze that koala is a female. Okay, so our favorable outcome is koala is a female. So just check it out that how many females are there into the data. You when you see, you will get that it is 114 in this data, right? When the length is starting from 65 and the length is final length is 90. In between 65 to 90 we have total 114 koalas female. So we will write the favorable outcome, or the number of options for the females are 114. Okay, now the second part they are asking for the part B. Koala is less than 80 centimeter. Okay, so they are just asked you that koala, they have not mentioned either female or male. Koala means all koala less than 80 centimeter. Okay, So here we have the sign less than 80 centimeter. So for less than 80 centimeter, as no discrimination is given as far as per the gender basis, but they are asking in general. So we will take all the male and female koala less than 80. It means these values 4, 20, 24 and plus 14, 12, 15 and 32. This will be our, if you add these both values, this will be our favorable outcome. Okay, so part B, they are asking in general all koalas. I'm just writing as a subscript less than 80. Okay, less than 80 means 80 less than 80 centimeter long. So you know that the total sample space will remain the same, because when you add male and female koalas, it is 240. The total sample space, or the total number of options, always comes on to the denominator, and for the numerator, this is a favorable outcome. So here you see when you add these male 4 plus 20 plus 24, this becomes 48 plus now we will add all the koalas less than 80 for males, for females. Also now when you will add these koalas, 14 plus 15 plus 32, you will be getting 61. Okay, so this becomes 109 divided by 240. Okay, and I'm mentioning here, it is worth mentioning here that always this value, we mean this probability value will be always between 0 and 1. This value will also be remain 0 and 1. If you having an incorrect answer, that is if you are getting something greater than 1, it means your answer is wrong. Okay, so must check out for this. It should not be greater than 1. Okay, probability comes always between 0 and 1. In the part C, they are asking probability, find out the koala is male and 75 and 85. For that we will write as part C, probability koala is a male, 75 to 85. Okay, so overall sample space, we know the overall sample space is 240, and for 75 to 80 centimeter length, we will take this 75 to 85. It means the frequency for male we will take only, not female. So it is 24 plus 47 is our favorable outcome. Favorable outcome options always goes upper side on the numerator, as we are placing here. So it becomes 71 divided by 240. Okay, so hope you are getting till part C. It is very easy explanation from my side. If you have any questions, do let me know. Okay, students, right now they are asking, they are saying that koalas under 72 centimeter called as juvenile, and estimate the probability that koala chosen at random is juvenile. Okay, and worth mentioning is here that koala under 72. Okay, so we don't have the interval. Okay, so koala under 72 we need to find out. They are taking in, they are asking in journal. Okay, so it means koala for male plus koala for female, because they are telling that under 72. Okay, so it means 65 length from 65 till 70, male is 4 and for female is 14. Okay, but here you see the interval is not given from 70 to 72. Okay, it is the interval beyond 72, that is 70 to 75. So we will not take this 20 as a whole, and also will not take this 15 as a whole. We will make some fraction, and for this fraction we are using the interpolation. Okay, because this interval starts from 70 and ends at 75. Then only we have male frequency 20 and female frequency 15. But we need to find out till 72. Okay, it means starting from 65 till 72. This 4 and this 14 will be full, because under 72 they are coming as it is 4 and 14. But here it is for this interval 70 to 75. 75 is greater than 72. We don't need the length greater than 72, so we'll use linear interpolation here. So just catch me what I am doing for the linear interpolation for 20 and 15. Okay, so right here see that probability of Jovel, we will add the favorable outcomes, means the number of options or the number of frequency numerator, and the total sample space. We know that total sample space of male and female animals are 240. Okay, so we need to first find out frequency of male less than 72 or frequency of female less than 72. Okay, so for male right now I am doing for male frequency of male, it means that I am finding the number of males less than 72. Okay, so just check it out that less than 72, the 4 will come here directly, will add, but right now 4 plus I will not take 20 directly. Okay, so I will make some interpolation help, and how I will take the help, just see. But right now you see that the interval is between, okay, this is 70, this is 75, and in between this we have 72. So we will use the interpolation method. How we will use, we know that for 70 to 75 it is 20. Okay, so we will write So we will write 20 here directly, but as we don't want the whole 20, so we will use interpolation. Okay, so it will be 72 minus 70 on the upper side, as we used to have interpolation. 72 minus 70, and for the last we have 70 upper minus lower, 75 minus 70. Okay, so this is how we will take the number of frequencies, or we will get the number of males frequency less than 72 length. Here the answer is 12. Similarly, I will find out the frequency or the number of females. F means frequency and small f means females less than 72. Okay, so less than 72 means this is already there, 14 females are already there, so I will write 14 as it is directly, but I will not take this 15 directly, because this 15 is the frequency till 75, but I need to find out till 72. So again I will write 15 here, but for this I will just use the interpolation method only to have the fraction of it, not the whole till 75. I only need till 72. Okay, so I will use the same interpolation method. This same fraction, the upper one will come here, the same fraction, so that we can have the frequency till 72. Okay, so right now we have the frequency, total frequency is 20. Okay, so this is how we will be getting the linear interpolation when the end interval is not given and we need to find the in between the intervals. We use this type of interpolation method. Okay, same, it was same we did earlier. Okay, so write these 12 and this 20. 12 will be male less than 72, so you will place here, and for 20 is less than female is 72, and you will place here. So for the probability jewels less than 72, okay, we know the total sample space is 240, and for the male less than 72 is 12. We know from here this 12. Favorable outcomes are I am writing just the favorable outcomes on the upper side, numerator side, and the females is less than 72, so it is 20. This fraction is 32 upon 240. Okay, hope you are getting my point. I have explained in a very easiest way to solve question number 4. This is how that whenever mid interval is given and 72 is not the ending interval. Okay, so then we will use this type of fraction. We will use this type of fraction, or it is called the linear interpolation method. Okay, thank you. Watch my video till the end. If you have any queries, do let me know. Your favorite teacher, your favorite math channel, like and share into your colleagues, into your friends. Thank you.